Hey everybody, this is Sheetal and I make plant related, health related and DIY videos. So welcome to my channel. So friends, I have this beautiful Monstera Deliciosa. Please pardon my pronunciation, I'm not good at it. So I have this beautiful plant with me and I have this since it was a baby. It was having this size leaves. I'm having this from that time and I haven't repotted it. It's still in its nursery pot. And I can see now it needs a repotting. So I was about to repot it. So I thought, why not repot it with you people? So here I am. So let's start repotting this beautiful monstera. Can you see this? Look at that. It's so big. As big as my face. Can you see the leaf? So big. And this is the new leaf it has got. 2 days back only it got unfurled. So let's start. I have decided to use a terracotta pot for repotting it. I am a heavy waterer and I am very much prone to killing plants by root rot. So I have decided to repot it in terracotta pot because it's really good. Even if you overwater your plant, it helps you. In fact, it helps your plant to forgive you, this terracotta, because it takes out the moisture quickly and it dries out the soil very quick. So I have chosen this terracotta pot and I have planned to repot my Monstera Deliciosa in it. So firstly I have lined my terracotta pot with few can you see charcoal. Focus few charcoals. I have lined my pot with few charcoal pieces. Okay, so I have lined, can you see this charcoal? Yeah, I have lined this bottom of the pot with charcoal pieces and I have made this mixture. So this is my soil mix, this is my potting mix which I have prepared for Monstera. Monstera is a plant, it grows in tropical rainforest, so it likes humus rich soil and again it doesn't like to be wet all the time. So I have made this potting mix. Actually I got ready-made potting mix, market one, which was made up of garden soil, little compost, and it has rice husk in it. If you can see, it has rice husk rather than cocoa peat. It has rice husk. It makes soil porous. I like this mixture. Personally, I like it. And apart from that potting mix, I have added a little bit of perlite to it and little bit of seaweed extract, because seaweed extract, it helps plant to come out from repotting shock, which is going to my beautiful monster is going to get that shock now. So let's start. I'll just grab a container to put soil mixture into it. So let's start adding soil mixture. You know, I have killed many plants with overwater. Yeah, root rot. So I have decided to use terracotta all the time. Terracotta is the best. Really, it's the best. Now it's time for Monstera to come. Actually, over here in India, nursery people use, you know, they all the time use clay soil only. So it has become really hard. I wanted to repot it, so I haven't, watered it. So it has become really super hard. It is right now. I doubt if I can reuse this pot again. I'll have to break it. It feels so. otherwise roots will get damaged, and I don't want that. I don't want to damage the roots. Let's hope it comes out fine. Let's try. My house is getting messier, and it happens all the time as I keep on. Oh wow, look at the roots, look at that. It is totally root bound, and it was a perfect time for it to repot. I want to just little bit loosen up the soil because it's pretty hard right now, and I'll just reduce little bit potting mix from it, as it has a lot of it. I'll make place for it to sit inside. My daughter is sitting in front of me as if some show is going on and she is watching me. She just doesn't want to study. She can do anything to skip studies. So here it goes. Remaining soil. I guess I need to take out more soil from it. I'm going to use my hands only. Let them get messy. Who cares? I love to make my hands messy when I'm with my plants. Not all the time, okay? And she is laughing over there and distracting me. I guess I have to remove all. Actually, I have taken smaller pot only, little bit bigger than original, because I do believe plants do better when they are in smaller pot. They grow faster. So I always use smaller pots only. If you go for bigger pot, the soil is going to stay moist a lot, and again same problem, root rot problem is going to happen. So better keep the pot smaller to help your plant grow faster.
Mama.
Oh God, sorry. It's because of the dust.
Mama.
So here it goes. Actually, the soil these nursery people have used is pretty hard. It's really hard. I was planning on keeping one rod also for its support, but it's okay. I'm not keeping it today. Maybe next time. There is always a next time, right? So friends, I am almost done repotting. And another thing I am going to do in this video is I have planned to germinate few chili seeds, and I have this egg carton with me. So I am going to germinate chili seeds in it. I think I keep on cleaning dirt like this from floor. Actually, it was inclined to one side only, and while repotting also I have done the same. That's okay. It's time to water it. I'm going to water it nicely, thoroughly, because I haven't watered it for long. I wanted to repot and I wanted the soil to dry out completely, so I didn't water it. So I'm going to water it now. So friends, let's water it together. I hope you are enjoying my repotting video. I thought to do it all the time. I keep on doing videos about giving you information about plants. I thought to do something else today. And I have fun while repotting plants. I just love it. So thought to, this is how I water my plants, slowly, steadily, and from all the sides, so that all the root balls get properly soaked in that water. It's a food for plant. And I wait till water comes out from its drainage hole. Trust me friends, terracotta is the best. It's the best because it dries out your soil so fast. I love to water plants and I keep on watering them frequently. And especially when you have plants inside house, the soil doesn't get dry quickly. It takes time. It takes like few days or few weeks also, depending on the climate at your place, depending on the light you are getting at your place, and depending on the soil type you are using. If your soil is of more moisture retaining type, then it's going to take more time. Sorry, I got busy in watering and I forgot what I was talking. So it's done. It's draining. Water is dripping, if you can see. Okay, so I'm done watering it now. I'll just keep it in another plate. I'm going to reuse that water because most of the times I use filtered water for my plants. So I reuse it. Yeah. So I have these egg cartons in which you get eggs. So I thought rather than throwing them, I'll use them for germination of my chili seeds. I am germinating my chili seeds in this because this can get decomposed, right? So once the saplings grow, I'm going to transfer them in another pot. So rather than taking it out and then transferring it, I'll just keep this box as it is inside. And you don't have to spend any money on germination kit. It's simple. If you buy eggs, you get these cartons and you can, I cut them. It was like 6 pack of 6. I cut them and make them single like this. I'm going to pour soil into it. See, I have filled it with soil and I am going to add if you can see, I am going to put 2 seeds into it. Let's hope both will germinate. I am going to add very little soil because you don't these seeds are very small. You don't have to bury them very deep. Smaller the seed, it should be upper layer of the soil should be that thinner. If seed is bigger, then you have to cover the seed with little bigger layer of soil. And after that, where is that container? Let's water it. If you want, you can make a small hole into it. I didn't do that. I will just water it a bit till the soil gets moist. I don't want to wet whole soil. That's it. This is wet. And let's see how long it takes to germinate. This is how I am going to fill other containers also, and I am going to do that. And this is the last one. Cheers. So I guess it's done draining its water. No, it's still draining the water, it's still dripping. My little bit germination kits are ready. I'm going to keep them in shade for 2 to 3 days. And yeah, warm place. In shade and at warm place. So let's hope these will germinate and I'll get cute little saplings of chili and I'll get plants later on. I'll keep on sharing the updates with you all. I hope you like my today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and you to grow your own veggies at home. It's really good. I'm growing bhindi, cluster beans, garlic, lemon, then tomatoes, and it's a really good thing to grow your veggies at home yourself. So I'm going to keep them. See you next time. Till then, bye.